Welcome to the video nugget for the D146 series, PCDU Preset Seal Removal Procedure. My name is Rick Blocher and I am the senior trainer here in Arlington, Texas. This specific bulletin is to address copy quality problems that could possibly occur without following the proper procedure. Bulletin number 1 for the D146 addresses this specific task. This is simply a video to follow up that bulletin. First, open the front and right covers, then the paper transfer assembly. This procedure will be used for all 4 PCDU assemblies. It's important to follow bulletin number 1 and observe the cautions. It is possible to have multi-copy quality issues if this procedure is not followed. The PCDU can break the small support ribs which may fall into the PCDU and get caught in the doctor blade or other parts. This particular example that I have here next shows the specific problem that could occur. This one was in reference to the cyan unit, and you can see the void areas right here. Now the magenta, the yellow, and the black are okay, so those were removed properly. But we had an issue with the cyan, and what happened was the ribs did not break, but some of the residue from the tape actually got stuck underneath the doctor blade. And we were able to clear it out by using a small business card and sliding it back and forth under there, and resulting in a solution. So again, open those front covers, the right covers, the paper transfer assembly. This is a video nugget on the MPC 3503 series, and we're going to remove the mylars that come packaged in the PCDU unit. So here's the procedure. We're going to first take off this front panel. Once we remove that front panel, we're going to rotate down and take out the panel that's in front of the black unit. This comes on each of the PCDU units, so you'll be doing this on each one. We're just going to do the black unit to show you. You notice you have the orange strip in front that was sticking out. We have one screw that's holding this developer unit in. We also have a connector that we're going to have to release. Once that connector is pulled out, we have one screw. This is a metal screw, sheet metal screw. We'll take that out. And since we have the ITB rotated up, we can now slide that out. Okay. We'll lay that on a flat surface. And you notice that we have all these orange tapes on here, and what we want to make sure of is that we pull this off in the proper procedure so that we do not get any of the tape or any of the residue from the tape in the doctor blade, which could cause a copy quality issue. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those tapes right now. And there is a service bulletin number 1 that shows the procedure in here on the removal of these tapes. This is a protective mylar that's packaged with the PCDU unit. When you remove it, you want to hold it on both ends and pull it loose. Okay, once we have all the mylars out, we can reinsert the developer unit, PCDU, back into the machine. We'll go ahead and put the connector back, and what's very important about these connectors are we want to, once we have them in, we want to push that down below so that when we put that front cover on, it doesn't pinch that wiring harness. Put the one screw, the sheet metal screw, in to hold it. Cover back in place. And we don't want to forget to rotate our ITB down. Place our cover in. And that's the process. I'd like to thank you for watching this video nugget.